Hi, friends! Welcome back to Sakha Kautzarasky, where every day is a chance to learn something new. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a bedtime adventure. Today's question is a cozy one. What do we do before sleep? Let's find out together. The sun is going down. The stars are coming out. It's almost bedtime. But wait. We have some things to do first. Step 1. Clean up toys. Let's start by putting away our toys. Tidy up the blocks, the dolls, and the books. When we clean up, our room feels peaceful and ready for sleep. Let's sing together. Clean up, clean up. Put the toys away. Clean up, clean up. At the end of the day, step 2, brush your teeth. Now, let's head to the bathroom. It's time to brush those teeth up, down, all around. Say this with me. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Keep them clean and bright. Don't forget your tongue. If you're having fun learning bedtime routines, give this video a big thumbs up and tell us in the comments what you do before sleep. Step 3. Wash your face and hands. Use warm water and gentle soap. Washing helps us feel fresh and calm before we crawl into bed. Step 4. Put on pajamas. It's pajama time. Pick your favorite cozy PJs. Maybe with stars, dinosaurs, or bunnies. Zip button or pull them on and feel comfy cozy. Step 5. Read a story. Snuggle up with your favorite book. Story time helps your mind relax and your imagination grow. Do you have a favorite bedtime story? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to know. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to Sakha Kautzarasky for more sweet and smart learning every day. Step 6. Cuddle a favorite toy. Grab your teddy bear, bunny, or soft friend. Say goodnight to your toys and hug them close. Step 7. Lie down and take a deep breath. Climb into bed. Pull up your blanket and take a deep breath. Inhale, ... Exhale, ... Let your body relax. Let your eyes feel sleepy. You did a great job today. Let's whisper a little sleepy song. Stars are shining. Moon is bright. Time to say goodnight. Close your eyes and dream away. You've had a lovely day. Let's review. What do we do before sleep? Clean up toys, brush teeth, wash face and hands, put on pajamas, read a bedtime story, cuddle your soft toy. Take a deep breath and relax. You are ready for dreamland. Thanks for getting ready for bed with us, friends. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Sakha Kautzarasky, and leave a comment. What helps you fall asleep at night? Sleep tight, dream bright, and we'll see you again tomorrow for more daily learning and fun. Good night, friends. Bye.